Hi, I'm Toria from VP Virtual Assistants, and today we're going to talk about how to create effective tasks inside of your projects in Asana. So in our last video, we talked about how to create the project in Asana. It's pretty quick, so I still have that project here and up. So this time we're going to look at creating the actual tasks. So it by default created this task. I'm just going to get rid of it. This is what it'll look like. You're going to go ahead and you're going to add a task. And you're going to get this little box that doesn't really say too much. But if you click on it again, it's going to open you up this big fancy window where you can write all of your tasks and create subtasks, all that good stuff. So we're going to call this task, because this is a book launch, we're going to call this task Chapter 1. And then you can assign this to whoever you want to assign it to. Once you get your teammates inside of Asana, you'll have an entire list of people here to choose from. You're going to assign it there. You're going to set your due date for when you'd like this done. You can already see that it's in the book launch project. It's also going to show up in your to-do list. You can put in a description. So if Chapter 1 was going to be your introduction chapter and all about your business, that's fabulous. You're going to put all of that in here. You can add notes. You can add whatever you like. Then it gives you the options here to add some subtasks. Subtasks can be anything that you like. So perhaps for a book launch first chapter, it can be write the outline and then fill in the outline and then send it to your editor, make updates, send it to your editor again, finalize it, and then publish Chapter 1. I mean, that would be the final step, I suppose. If you're adding graphics, you can do any kind of that. When you add the subtasks, you can get the same window up for the subtask. So you assign that to a specific person. You can set the due dates and everything like that for that as well. So if you have yourself a task to write Chapter 1 by November the 8th, and then you want your editor to edit it by November the 10th, you can create a subtask for both of those things, and they both live in the main task of Chapter 1. The final thing that you can add to your tasks, and I'm saying this is in the free version of Asana, there's a lot more in the paid version, but you can add attachments. So if there was images you wanted to see in Chapter 1, if there were specific things you wanted to reference, you can attach all of those to this task so that everything is here all in one clear, concise space. When you're done, you just go ahead and you can close the details. And there it is. This little icon here shows you that there's subtasks. In this main project we created in the board style, you can drag this to the different states. So we have to do, in progress, and done. You can drag it to done when it's completed. When it's fully completed, you can just mark it as complete, and it will gray out the task to show you that it's completely done with and you don't need to worry about it anymore. So that's all I have for you on creating tasks inside of Asana. If you have any questions, you can contact us at vpvirtualassistants.com/contact, and we'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you have.